Welcome to the guide on adding and managing a new provider in your IPFS wallet. Before starting, we recommend exploring our earlier tutorials highlighting the IPFS wallet's features. So, on the wallet's homepage, you go to the Provider Settings section and select the Manage IPFS Provider button. Then, click on Add New Provider. Now, begin by entering the name of the provider you want to add into the name field. We've named it Pinata1 to differentiate it from the existing IPFS provider, which is Pinata. In the title field, enter the provider's title, such as Pinata.cloud for Pinata as the IPFS provider. Enter the vendor's name in the vendor field. Next, type in the vendor's website address in the website field. In the logo URL field, enter the vendor's logo link, such as a PNG, JPG, or SVG. Next, add a brief description of the vendor. In the API settings section, you'll need to fill two specific URLs and a JWT. For the API URL, enter the base URL your app uses to connect with the vendor's platform. In the gateway URL, enter the URL so that you'll be able to access IPFS content via a standard web browser. Then, add the JSON web token from your IPFS provider. Finally, click on the Register button, and the provider will be registered successfully. Close the provider registration window and go to the Manage IPFS Provider section. We can see the provider that we just registered. On clicking the plus icon next to the provider's name, we can view details like name, hash ID, title, vendor, etc. To set it as a primary provider, click the Select as Primary Provider button. To remove it, click the Remove Provider button. To edit any of the details, click the Edit button. Additionally, each provider can be configured with distinct signatures or encryption logic, allowing you to customize settings for every upload or download operation. Like this, you can manage multiple providers on the IPFS wallet. Learn more about IPFS Wallet by visiting ipfsserver.com.